Hey, it's Lori Scherer with the Scherer team with my partner.
Dan Karp with the Karp Group.
Today we're going to talk about two dirty words, homeowners insurance. And I get a lot of calls from people who are currently homeowners telling me that they're very concerned because they keep getting notices from insurance companies that A, either they're being dropped, or B, they are getting rates elevated tremendously. And so this is affecting current homeowners, and it's also affecting buyers. And if it's affecting buyers, it's affecting sellers. So here's where I usually give some guidance and advice to my sellers. Number one is these are typically people who've been in a home for a long period of time, and or they bought a home and now the home itself is 20, 25 years old or older. And what I usually suggest is, although you may feel that your roof is perfectly healthy, that probably is not the case, because these are wear and tear issues in a roof, just like in a car, just like in appliances. And so it might be operating in a condition that you think is fine. However, we like to have a professional roofer come in and double check your roof before listing your home, and perhaps making certain little minor repairs if necessary, and most importantly, to provide what's called a roof report of longevity, to see what the life expectancy is of that roof, so that we can give the buyer some immediate peace of mind. It's not something that they will have to invest in as far as a new roof right away. And this way they can have a little bit of breathing room and they can present that to their insurance carrier, so they would be able to get insurance.
I think it's a really important point, and the reality is that replacing a roof compared to repairing a roof isn't going to be the same for everybody. As Lori mentioned, it's how long are you going to live in the house? Are you looking to sell it? Are you staying in the house? Getting roof quotes are fine. We're able to do that and understand what the cost of the repairs will be, and also what the cost of the replacement will be, and give you guys that feedback to understand what should you do. If you're selling your house, does it make sense to repair it? Take maybe lesser on the purchase price or the sale price of your house before you repair it, or instead of repairing it rather, and really understanding the cost of the and scope of the work versus and what the yield will be or what the return would be on putting that money into the house. Buyers, if they're buying a house and it needs a new roof and it's 30 years old and the longevity report isn't there, insurance is going to be hard to obtain. So it's really important just to understand the full scope of what that means when you go into a transaction. I think having the conversation before you list and understanding what strategies you need to take in order to best serve you as a client are really important. And the other thing that Lori mentioned is you have buyers, you have sellers, and homeowners. And if you're living in your house now and you own a home and you want Lori or you want me to go ahead and look at what quotes are, look if there's a better carrier or rate or premium that you can have in your home today, we're happy to have a conversation to talk through and see if we can find a different premium or different carrier for you, given what your home is what it currently is. And if it requires replacing 3 cracked tiles to lower your premium $1,500, it's probably worth it to do it. So we're happy to have those conversations.
So we're here before, during, after, and even if there isn't a sale, we're here to help you. So thanks for listening.